Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to the channel. Today, the question says, if a body loses half of its velocity on penetrating 3 centimeter in a wooden block, then how much will it penetrate more before come to rest? Now, according to the question, so listen carefully. So just imagine a block. Okay. So initially, the object, it has the initial velocity u. When it just covered 3 centimeter, its speed in particular direction, it get reduced to off. And then further distance you want to calculate because before comes to rest, you want to know the penetration even more, right? So generally, when object travels inside the block, it doesn't stop immediately. It moves further distance, then it stops, right? So first initial distance, initial penetration distance, they provided 3 centimeter. Then before comes to rest, so final point of that particular object becomes 0. So before comes to rest, you want to know the penetration distance. Make it as x. Okay. So make it as first case 1. It has initial velocity u. Then final velocity is a u by 2. Since the speed reduces in particular direction, make that one is the retardation concept. Then the formula v square equal to u square minus 2as. Now just substitute. So v is nothing but u by 2 the whole square, u square minus 2a. What about the distance they provide? It's a 3 centimeter. So now u square by 4 minus u square minus 6a, right? So then finally you will get minus 3 u square by 4 minus 6a. So minus minus get cancelled. Then a equal to 3 u square by 4 6. Then just cancel here. So a equal to u square by 8. So, so now the next case, now make it as this one is the initial velocity u equal to u by 2. Then v equal to 0 because finally it reaches the rest position. So it becomes 0. Then again use that concept. So v square equal to u square minus 2as, same retardation concept. Now what about the v? It will be the 0, final velocity will be 0. U, it will be u by 2 the whole square minus 2, u square by 8, then yes. So now minus u square by 4 minus 2 u square by 8, yes. So now you want to find out this penetrating distance. Now minus minus get cancelled. U square get cancelled. Then you just cancel with the 4. Then 4 get cancelled. So finally your answer will be, so finally your answer is equal to 1 centimeter. Okay.